The judge sentenced Alan Dean to the maximum today, more than 26 years in prison, meaning the 66-year-old will likely die there. And the victim's mother minced no words in her reaction.
He'll die in prison. It's what he deserves.
Still devastated over her daughter's murder, Sharon Lee finds no forgiveness for killer Alan Dean.
But I hope he lives at least 10 years so he can be tortured.
Why do you say that?
Because I think he deserves some of the suffering we've gone through.
Dean met Melissa Lee over a 1990s era talk line when she was just 15 years old. He was 35. He worked his way into the girl's life and eventually worked his way into her Bothell home while her family was away, kidnapping her and sexually assaulting her before dumping her body into this Everett ravine.
Mr. Dean has no moral compass.
Retired Everett Police Detective Robert Johns expresses years of frustration.
He's had plenty of opportunity to come forward and let his conscience speak to him. The man has none.
Police interviewed Dean early in their investigation but couldn't find enough evidence to arrest him. Then in 2020, with the advent of DNA and genetic testing, they found a match. Detectives staked Dean out and got a sample of his DNA from a cigarette butt.
Well, I didn't do it. I'm innocent. Somebody's got away with something. They planted the DNA. I was never near that girl.
In court today, Dean vehemently proclaimed his innocence.
I've been framed. I don't care what you people say.
He's a liar. Of course he did it. I mean, nobody planted DNA.
It's up to us today to give justice. Anything less than maximum sentence isn't a justice.
I pray to the court to put Alan Dean away forever.
Thank you, folks.
And as Alan Dean heads to prison, Sharon Lee reminds us he walked free for longer than her daughter was alive. Now, after 31 years, this mother hopes she can simply rest.
Maybe I can move on now.
Sharon Lee admits she never thought this case would be solved, and tonight she says she is eternally grateful for the generations of law enforcement who brought justice for her daughter. At the Snohomish County Courthouse, Eric Wilkinson, King 5.